Mihang'o thiini wa bunge ya 13 ironekana guthie nyitite thinga riri bunge irathie gibangaga uria ikuruta wira ihinda ria miaka 5 iroka na kumbwo gwa kamiti mwanya mwanya ni umwe wa maria maromba muthingi wa bunge gukinyaniria uigiririki wayo. Umuthi maritwa ma bunge aria magukorwo thiini wa kamiti ya guthurima aria mabatine gutungata thiini wa iturwa ngurani thirikari-ini ni hetukirio na riu ni kuga ati bunge ni gukorwo ikianjiriria guthurima aria mamurirwo ta Aminista ni President William Ruto.
Even as we approve these nominees, soon we shall be changing our standing orders to have now whoever is approved as a cabinet secretary to appear before this house to answer to questions, statements and matters that are of concern to members of the public.
Hamwe na amemba 21 aria magukorwo kamiti-ini ya kumathurima ni Speaker Moses Wetangula ari muikariri giti hamwe na mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini Kimani wa Icung'wa na murunawe wa aria nini Opiyo Wandayi. Abunge Eric Karemba, Beatrice Kahai, Japheth Kareka, Julius Biwott, Silvana Sosoro, Martha Wangari, Robert Bukose, Lea Soipato na Caroline Cheptoo ono magukorwo mari amemba.
Will as many as of this opinion say aye?
Ripoti ya aminista aria makuhetukio kana kuguithio ibatie ni kuneanwo ni bunge gukinyiria tariki 27 na uteti muhio ni utanyitwo kwiyumiria gatagati ka mwena wa Kenya Kwanza uria uri na uingi wa abunge na mwaho wa Azimio uria wihitite kugereka kabiru aria magukorwo mari na njiririo ciothe na kugeria matikahetuke.
I am certain all these members in the 13th Assembly are very eager to hold them to account on their actions in public and in private.
The committee, of course, will do the nitty-gritties, but this House has got the ultimate power to reject or approve every single nominee.
Ihinda-ini o riu bunge ni hetukirie kamiti iria iguteithiriria kugayania bunge thiini wa kamiti citiganite na hamwe na aria magutungata kamiti-ini ino ni Eric Karemba, John Kiarie, Beatrice Kahai, Kareke Mbiuki, Julius Biwott, Silvana Sosoro, Martha Wangari, Robert Bukose, Lea Soipato, Ann Muratha, Caroline Cheptoo, Joseph Majimbo. No ningi kamiti ino ni gukorwo na gibarua kirito gia kugeria kuiganania bunge aingi aria maranyotera kamiti iria ciri na uritu makiria ta ya bajeti, ugima wa mwiri, ya mathabu na ya ukui.
It has over the time grown that there are some committees which are more attractive, like the Budget and Appropriations, like the Transport or Infrastructure Committee, the Energy Committee, Finance and National Planning. My advice to this committee is to ensure that no member sits in more than one of those committees.
It does not have very intransigent positions that I must be in this or that committee, and appreciate that with the reduced numbers of our committees after the changes in our standing orders, we have the minority side in most committees will get only 7 members, and they must within those members accommodate all the political parties within the coalition.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.